Good morning, welcome back to another edition of Doing It with Dish. Down on the property again this morning. Gonna haul some more gravel on that north entrance. Fortunately today I got some help. A buddy of mine was moving his backhoe from one place to another and said he'd be within a couple miles and he'd come help me for the day. I said, that's awesome, I'll take it. So we're gonna finish up that north entrance, get it all graded out, and hopefully we're done hauling gravel. Time to get after it. The rain was coming down pretty good and it just got worse. And then the thunder, the lightning. I didn't finish graveling. It just got too bad. I ended up getting soaked. I'm home now and it quit raining, of course. So I gotta go back and finish graveling. Don't have much to do. Won't take long. So we're gonna close out today with a little scotch, of course. What I've got today is a Tomatin, 43% ABV, both ex-bourbon and sherry cask finish. It's light, got a little bit of that fruit from the sherry. Very tasty. Until next time, thanks for watching.